To begin this Google Classroom integration with Chalkboard, a teacher who has a Google Classroom will access a resource on the Chalkboard website. They'll be prompted to log in and approve the required scopes for this integration. Upon logging in, they'll be able to click Add to Google Classroom, which will add after they're prompted for a topic. We'll add that resource to their Google Classroom. The student can then go to their Google Classroom and they'll be able to click on the link, and they can also log in. And they can allow the scopes as required as well. The student can then access the course content and can complete the activity. Upon completing the activity, the teacher will be able to access the assignment and will be able to see that the assignment has been marked as turned in by that student. And they're able to see any attachments that have been uploaded, allowing the teacher to see the work completed by the student. And the assignment is also graded, if applicable, for that student. So that completes the workflow that we'll be utilizing these additional scopes for Google Classroom.